look at this place, how much it has progressed since the last showing. And the good thing is we can fit the whole community in here for our fellowship dinners. I can't wait until this building is open. We can open our arms and let everybody come in and eat as one big happy family. Hi guys, I'm now in the pre-function area where you see right here, right outside the dining room. And over, you can see where the church is going to be a beautiful garden right next to the new Hellenic Center. And this is where everybody will be coming in as well as meeting, going into the dining room, into the new Hellenic Center. Miss Effie preparing all the food for the festival, Katie preparing the mayeritza and cooking, the lucumadas for the festival, Miss Vicky doing the pastitza, my girls helping me with all the fellowship dinners that we will be having. It is awesome, awesome. Look at this beautiful place. I cannot wait until the building opens up and we can roll up our sleeves and start baking and cooking. And all my ladies that would help me cook and bake, glika and food. Can't wait, can't wait. This is magnificent, magnificent. Me tocalo. Y ora kali proto theos. Ora vayinunia. Now in the front of the building. This is my office. Right through these doors is Father's office. Right across the hall will be the boardroom where I can have my papu levedes come and help with the mailing and with everything that they offer their services for. Now, and as you see, the classrooms now are in full production here. They've come a long way from the last time we saw them. I cannot wait to hear the little pitter-patter of our children running up and down this hall, where all the children can have their Sunday school classes, the Goyans can meet and have their retreats, their shut-ins, their meetings. Miss Hellenic can have her dance group up here where they can be changing into their costumes and having their dance practices. This is an exciting time for our community. Beto Calo, I cannot wait for this building so we all can come into our new home next to our Guia Triada. Make beautiful memories, just like our ancestors made beautiful memories with the old building. This is awesome. I love it. It is beautiful. The children are going to be so excited to be inside. And the ladies who are doing the interior design are doing a phenomenal job. It is beautiful. Me tocalo, proto Dios, namaste calapedia. Outside of our new Hellenic Center, and you've noticed this blue. Some people have come to me and said, please leave that blue up to indicate this is a Greek building. Just from what I've heard through the grapevine, and correct me if I'm wrong, I've been told that this blue is for waterproofing the building. So it's not going to be here when we build our building. Finished building. There's going to be some beautiful bricks and some wood on the outside and the front of the building. So everything is coming to a beautiful, beautiful structure for us to enjoy for centuries. And God bless everybody on the NBC committee and everybody who has worked so hard. God bless Father Ari for being our pillar of our community and bringing the spiritual into this establishment as well as into his community. We are blessed. God bless you all. Thank you. Come by and see our magnificent building. Corona se corona, to building on a veni. Me tocalo.